What's up guys, RB here, and today we're going to be having a look at some of the new updates for Filmora 13. Now, I went for a nice bushwalk earlier as you saw in my video, but what if I was to walk somewhere else? Stay tuned, and I'll also showcase some of the other features as well. Okay, first thing, select the clip and go into video editing, then into AI tools and smart cutout. So, I'm going to start by selecting the object. Now you can just click the object and it will try to do a smart cutout of that object, but it doesn't always get all of the sort of external parts. So you can see there that on my boot, it hasn't quite got it all in there, so you can just manually add that in. Now I'm going to do another key point and try again. Now you can use what's called the brush tool for this and do a rough outline of where you want the smart cutout to be. Okay, I'm going to try another point and do the brush tool again. Now you can make this a really fine little art here by decreasing the brush size and zooming in. Now as you can see here, I kind of overshot the mark a little bit there. You can see the blue is pretty bad, so I'm going to go to the eraser tool and just sort of cut it down a little bit. Now let's do a couple of more key points there. Now this means that if my profile changes throughout the movement, you gotta make sure that you get everything. Okay. And once you feel satisfied with that, you can go to the click to start smart cutout option. I'm gonna press that, and it's gonna track this object, which is me, throughout the video. As you can see, it's going forward. Now what's cool about this feature is that it actually tracks backwards as well. So if you have your point at the middle of the video, it actually will go back and have a look. Now all you need to do now is press save, and that will now appear on your screen like that. And you can add a background to that, as I did. Now let's have a look at some other features of the new release. So I'm going to download this stock image of this businessman and change the preset on the colors to fantasy. Now the protect skin tones options means that instead of making it a blue tinge, it'll actually try and keep his natural skin tone. Now, here's the AI search, our Filmora co-pilot. You just want to ask it a bit of a question. So for me, I'm going to help me making my videos brighter. And it'll tell you the correct feature to use for that one. And that's a wrap guys, hopefully you enjoyed my video today and learned a few little things about the latest update of Filmora 13. I'll catch you next time.